Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you tired of entering your Apple ID password every single time you try to download an app on your Mac? In today's video, I'll show you a few quick tricks to install apps without typing your Apple ID password again and again. Let's jump right in. Open System Settings. Go to Apple ID. Then click on Media and Purchases. Under Free Downloads, set it to Never Require. And under Purchases and in App Purchases, set that to Never Require as well. Now head over to the App Store and try installing an app. You will see that it won't ask your Apple ID password this time. And that's it. Now you know how to install apps on your Mac without typing your Apple ID password every single time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.